Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad I get to finally say that. Like, I finally did it. I finally put myself out there. I finally started my YouTube channel. Finally did it. I finally. So I'm here. So make sure you subscribe. It's not time to say yet. So yes guys, the second thing I finally did was put some color on my hair. I've been natural for about a year and a half now. It's not 2 years yet. It'll be 2 years by next year, March. But yes, I've been natural, and all the time that I have been natural, I have never, and I mean it, never put color in my hair. I finally did it and I love it. Disclaimer, it's gonna say on the title that I didn't put bleach because I actually didn't put bleach. For everyone that is going to think like you know the people that have PhD in coloring, they're gonna want to come for me and say girl, there's bleach in the pack already, blah blah blah. I don't know what they put in the product. I'm not gonna go all the way to read the ingredients and go on Google like, oh, this thing means bleach or something. When I say I didn't use bleach, I mean I didn't buy bleach, because when you go to a salon to color your hair, they tell you have to bleach. I mean, my friend does it and they always bleach her hair, and I didn't want to bleach my hair. So if you're like me and you don't want to bleach your natural hair, then you have to watch this video to the end, because I did it, and as you can see, it did, come out nice, because I'm nice. Anyway, so yeah, let's get right into the video. These are the products I'm gonna be working with today. This is Vivid Red, Cream of Nature, and this is Intense Red. It's in 7.6. I don't know, my hair is really black. Where is the color chart? The fuck? Okay, so you see, so if my hair was a lighter brown, it would really show this result, but my hair is black and maybe even blacker than this. So anyway, so I'm gonna use this. I got this from AliExpress. It broke, so I just kind of taped it together. But basically, these are the products I'm gonna use today. And the developer and the color. Now this is Intensive Red. I'm just gonna come with the manual, developer, this and this. So you see that it's quite different. The other one, they're both Cream of Nature, but I'm just gonna mix everything up together. Mix it all up together. So I'm mixing the products together, the color and the developer from the first pack and the second pack, the Intensive Red. Just mix half of each of the products, half of the developer, half of the color, half of the developer, and half of the color from the other pack together. I'm still going to use the other halves later on. I just wanted to see how long this will go. I'm pouring in the developer, mixing everything up together. As you can see, it's getting really thick, so you want a thick consistency. It gets a lot redder, if that's the word, as time goes. I put on my gloves and some champagne poppy, to set the mood. Anyway, I put my hair in sections just to make it easier for me. I'm gonna start from the back. I got the stuff on my ears from AliExpress. I mean, it came with the brushes. Just starting from the back, just using the brush. I mean, I'm just gonna use the brush to put the product all up in there. There's really no good or bad way to do this. I mean, I'm not a professional. I've never done this before, so. And it really came out nice, though. Yeah. Just putting it in there. On the pack, it actually says to put it with the bottle, the developer bottle. It has like this kind of nozzle in front. You just pour it all over your head, but I decided to use brush and my hands. Decided to use a brush and my hands just so it'd be more intense, because I mean, I wasn't bleaching it or using a lighter brown to make my hair take the dye a lot more. I just put it straight up in my hair like that. So yeah, I really wanted it to be all up in there, So yeah, that's why I use my hands. Now I'm done with the first part. I'm gonna go and take the remaining of the products and just mix everything up together and put it on the roots. I wanted to do some kind of ombre effect before, but I changed my mind because I didn't want to waste the products, I mean, the hair is still gonna grow, so I'll still get that effect regardless. Anyway, yeah, I'm taking out the band and just being more generous with the product. Putting it all up in there. Yeah, so this is how it's looking. Just massaging it all over my head. As you can see, I finished my product. I wasn't gonna waste that shit. I'm gonna put my hair in a shower cap just to, secure it and make the stuff stick. I waited an hour. I know it says on the pack to wait about 20 minutes, but I mean, like I said before, I didn't bleach my hair or use like some sort of brown dye first or blonde dye first, so I decided to stay, an hour. I actually stayed an hour and 15 minutes or so. Anyway, so yeah, I just put on some makeup and decided to use my shirt I was wearing before to just wrap my hair because it was still sealing some moisture. It's better than using a towel. Anyway, so yeah, and mind you, make sure you use a shirt you do not care about while dyeing, except you have a cape or something. Anyway, so this is how it's looking. As you can see, it came out quite nice for someone that had really black hair. Anyway, I'm putting in the oil that came in with the pack, It's a lot, and I used the two of them because, my hair was really dry. Your hair is going to get a lot more dry than normal because of the dye, so make sure you moisturize a lot more than usual, a lot more than you usually do. Yeah, I'm just using my wide comb to brush my hair because I want to put it in a bun. I was going to do some like twist style and some funky style, but I was tired after filming, so I just decided to do a bun. I'll probably do another video later. So this is how it's looking under the sun. As you can see, it's popping, and I really love it, and I hope you loved watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, please. Why not? And bye.